From her mouth?
What is he cupping?
It's just an involuntary, it's something no one really tries to do, they just do it.
She's not opening her mouth.
Sometimes she does, and it's a little louder when she does. Oh, so cute.